In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet with an invite link. If you're new to Google Meet or just need a refresher, don't worry. This guide will take you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner. Whether you're joining for your first online class, a business meeting, or a family catch-up, you'll be able to confidently access your meeting in no time. First things first, let's begin by signing in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google login page. Enter your email address associated with your Google account, then click Next. A simple tip here is to ensure you're using an account that may have specific access permissions if required by your meeting host. Once you've entered your email, you'll be prompted to type in your password. Be mindful of your password entry, and once you're set, click Next again to proceed. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Gmail inbox. This is where you'll likely find your meeting invitation email. Look through your inbox for an email with the invitation link. Usually the subject line will indicate it's for a Google Meet. Click to open this email. Inside, you'll find a link that looks something like https://meetgoogle.com. Click on this link and it will redirect you to the Google Meet page for that specific meeting. When you arrive on the Google Meet page via the link, look for the button that says Ask to Join and click it. This step effectively sends a notification to the meeting host that you're ready to enter the meeting. If you're already set up with a camera and microphone, consider checking your settings to ensure everything is working as it should. This way, when you're admitted to the meeting, you'll be good to go for both video and audio participation. Finally, once you've clicked Ask to Join, all you need to do is wait a moment for the host to approve your entry, and voila. The meeting has now started for you. You're officially part of the Google Meet. The interface may seem a little busy at first, but take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options and settings available to you, like muting your mic, turning off your camera, or sharing your screen. And there you have it. You've successfully joined a Google Meet using an invite link. Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if it took a moment this time. With these steps, you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.